Imagine a world where flying machines are no longer science fiction, but a reality transforming the way we live, work, and create. Welcome to the era of drones, where possibilities are endless and boundaries are pushed every single day. In this video, we'll explore how these technological marvels are revolutionizing fields as diverse as agriculture, disaster relief, art and cinema, and even defense. Fasten your seatbelts as this journey takes you to the heart of innovation, offering a breathtaking glimpse into our future. Ready? Let's go. Let's start with agriculture, the backbone of human survival. Drones are transforming the way we farm, making every plot of land more productive and sustainable. With advanced sensors, they can map fields, analyze soil health, and detect crop diseases long before they spread. But that's not all. They can also optimize irrigation, reduce pesticide use, and even plant seeds with millimeter precision. It's like having a personal agricultural assistant working 24/7 to ensure bountiful harvests. Farmers around the world are embracing this groundbreaking technology, and the results are astounding. Get ready to be amazed by the future of agriculture. Next, let's explore a field where drones can literally save lives: disaster relief. When disaster strikes and infrastructure collapses, these unmanned aerial vehicles become true heroes. Imagine drones covering miles in minutes to deliver vital medicines, blood, or vaccines to inaccessible areas. Or entire swarms equipped with thermal cameras scanning debris to locate trapped survivors. This is already a reality, with humanitarian organizations worldwide using these technologies to save lives every day. Drones are redefining what's possible in crisis situations, bringing hope where it is desperately needed. What if I told you drones are revolutionizing the world of art and cinema? That's right, artists and filmmakers use these flying machines to capture unprecedented angles, achieve smooth camera movements, and create stunning visual effects. With a drone, the sky is no longer a limit but a blank canvas on which to paint extraordinary stories. From music videos to blockbuster films and artistic installations, drones add a new dimension to creativity. They allow artists to push the boundaries of their art and transport us to previously unimaginable worlds. Prepare to be dazzled by the visual feats made possible by these incredible machines. Finally, let's delve into the complex world of defense, where drones play an increasingly crucial role. These unmanned aircraft have become major strategic assets, enabling surveillance and reconnaissance missions without putting human lives at risk. They can fly for hours, even days, gathering valuable intelligence on hostile terrains. However, their use also raises important ethical questions about modern warfare and autonomous decision-making. It is crucial that we address these questions thoughtfully and establish strict regulatory frameworks to ensure the responsible use of these powerful technologies. We've reached the end of our journey through the fascinating world of drones. As we've seen, these remarkable machines have the power to transform entire industries, save lives, and push the boundaries of our creativity. But this is just the beginning. Every day, new applications emerge, opening up ever more exciting possibilities. Whether you're a farmer looking to optimize your crops, a first responder seeking innovative solutions, an artist dreaming of new forms of expression, or simply a technology enthusiast, drones have something to offer you. The future is here and it's time to take flight. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to catch more of the latest innovations in the world of drones. Thank you for watching and see you soon for more adventures.